In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do social listening on Hootsuite. Whether you're a marketing professional, a business owner, or just curious about what the world is saying about your brand or topics of interest, mastering social listening on Hootsuite can open up a whole new world of insights for you. First off, let's navigate our way to the starting point, which is of course the Hootsuite website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in www.hootsuite.com. Once the page loads, you're greeted with a myriad of options and information, but worry not, for our focus today is quite specific. Now that you're on the site, the next step is to log into your Hootsuite account. Look for the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. A click here will open the door to the next phase of our journey. Upon clicking the login button, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to input the email associated with your Hootsuite account to avoid any access issues. Once you've filled in your email, the logical next step is to enter your password. It's the key to unlocking your social listening capabilities after all. After entering your credentials, simply hit the sign in button to proceed. If all goes well, you'll find yourself on the Hootsuite dashboard. This place might look a bit daunting at first with all its bells and whistles, but it's actually quite user-friendly once you get the hang of it. The dashboard is your mission control for everything social media, including listening to what people are saying on the platforms you care about. To get started with social listening, click on the listening option within the dashboard. This is where the magic starts to unfold. Hootsuite's listening tools are powerful and can give you insights about your brand, competitors, and any keywords or topics relevant to your industry. In the listening section, one of the first things you might want to explore is the top hashtags feature. It's a treasure trove for discovering what's trending or what hashtags are gaining momentum in conversations across social media platforms. You can select any hashtag from the list to dive deeper into the discussions surrounding it. Next on our list is to explore the key metrics. This is where you get to see numbers and graphs that translate social media chatter into actionable insights. Clicking on key metrics will open up a wealth of data about the volume of mentions, sentiment analysis, and much more, depending on which hashtags or keywords you are tracking. Another fascinating area to explore is themes. This feature allows you to tap into the prevailing topics within your hashtags or search queries, giving you a clearer picture of what specific aspects people are talking about. It's a neat way to segment the conversation and focus on what's most relevant to you. Lastly, after selecting various filters and getting to the heart of your social listening quest, you can click on Results to see the updated data and insights based on your selections. This tailored information can be invaluable in shaping your social media strategy, understanding your audience better, or even just staying informed about the latest trends. Through our journey today, we've seen how Hootsuite can become an invaluable partner in your social listening efforts. From logging in to diving deep into hashtags, metrics, and themes, each step brings you closer to a comprehensive understanding of the digital conversation landscape. Remember, social listening is not just about monitoring. It's about engaging, learning, and evolving based on the insights gathered. Take the time to explore Hootsuite's features and tailor them to your needs. With practice, you'll become adept at navigating the platform and leveraging its power to benefit your brand or personal interests. And that wraps up our guide on how to do social listening on Hootsuite. With these tools at your disposal, you're well on your way to becoming more in tune with the heartbeat of the digital world. Keep experimenting, stay curious, and most importantly, listen with intent. Thank you for watching, and here's to your social listening success.